First trip with the 450L, baby. Let's go. Looks so good on the trailer with the 150RB. But it's that time. Let's hop in the Tesla and head south. What are we doing today, Lex?
We're riding dirt.
Riding dirty bikes.
Dirty bikes, and they're gonna be dirty because it is muddy. It's been raining for like the past 5 days.
Whoa! What is that?
I'm exhausted.
We're both rolling on 3 hours sleep.
Yes. I'm so tired. We got the 450L.
You gonna ride it today?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
Because.
Full send.
No, I will not.
There she is back there. Hasn't fallen out yet.
Anybody's bike is falling out. It's gonna be mine.
Yeah, we gotta work on a better strapping system. The 450L is a little bit longer than the 250L.
Yeah.
So we have to put it in the notch now. We can't have it straight in.
Straight in. It was hanging on by like the knob on the tire.
Which I'm surprised, but.
I called it even when it was in the house. I was like, it seems longer than the 250L. And you were like, eh.
Oh, is that how I sounded? Yeah, okay. But I busted out the old vlogging camera today. This is my old G7X, so we'll see how the quality is. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna try to get some awesome footage. There's gonna be so much madness going on, like 30 plus riders. We got a big group today, and it should be a fun time. I'm gonna bring you guys along as always. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. The cat's finally out of the bag. The boys just passed and they saw the 450L. So not gonna be much of a surprise, but I think they were expecting it.
Some people will be surprised.
Oh yeah,
for
yeah.
Sure.
They're all hyped on it though, for sure. So it's gonna be an awesome day, and this is the first time that I'm really gonna be able to test out this bike. Like, I just rode it around the farm a little bit, and that's all flat ground, so I didn't really get a chance to do a whole lot. So I don't know, might be a struggle today, or I might love it. This is gonna be all my honest opinion. Trust me guys, I paid for this bike, so I have no biased opinions or anything like that. So
there's no attachment to it either.
Yeah, no, it's a dirt bike and it's meant to be abused. So we're gonna full send it, try some hill climbs and try some technical stuff and see how I like this thing. You getting nervous?
Yeah, always.
You getting excited?
Yeah, always.
Both emotions at
yes,
once.
Always.
All bottled up. What'd you say, Alex's bike looks clapped out?
No, I just look dirty.
I'm making moves.
Tanner.
I'm making moves.
As we lose my bike over the bridge.
RIP 150RB. Who all do we have today out on the trails?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have you and me, Tilly, Jeff, my brother, Zach, Daniel, Alex, Tom, MJ, Gramatron,
Boomhauer.
Then we have like all the locals that I don't know how many are gonna be there, but I think that's everybody that we know coming.
So we've got at least 11 with our group and then all of the locals, so this is gonna be a pretty big ride for those trails. I'm interested to see how this is gonna work. There's gonna be some side-by-sides there, so there's gonna be a lot of action going on, that's for sure. Gramatron's gonna be out there on the new FE350, and I think we're gonna swap bikes, so that'll be interesting.
For real?
Yeah, you don't care.
I know, I met you and for him.
I'll let him ride the 450L, it's just a bike.
Yeah, I know.
But we'll be there in about 10 minutes, so I'll pull the camera out and get some people's reactions, and let's send it today.
Oh God.
Just pulled over here for a quick break. Stretching, remember? A little pre-ride stretch. What's up? What's up?
Christ, what do you got?
I know, bud.
Was that last night?
Yeah, you just got that last night?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, I bet you did.
Out in Canada.
Yeah? Oh yeah, all right.
I knew you didn't sell it.
Nope.
Nope. I was like, oh, there's no way. This is
Sitting in our basement.
Just waiting for the opportunity, right?
Oh, yep. What's up?
What's going on? Ready to husky it out?
Sponsored, man.
You know, I got the leader and everything with me.
You got your shirt too?
Yeah. Morgantown Power Sports.
That's actually where I bought that bike.
We asked.
Oh wait, you brought it.
We asked for sweatshirt and they wouldn't give it to us.
You gonna ride my 250 so I can ride this all day?
Go for it,
You
man.
like my new sticker on the front?
What'd you get? Cross thread again? Oh, boom power, yes! Oh man, look at this beast. Got some upgrades, I guess.
We're waiting on Alex. Is Zach and Daniel coming?
Got Jeff out here on the TTI. Oh, he's got that other angle too.
Well, I've seen one of them.
And check it out, man. Nice. Boom power, dude. Finally living up to the name. Oh, he's got the meat now. Oh, I like it.
I'm prepared, man.
And some fancy parts.
Oh yeah, I think we're all gonna be fancy today with all new equipment, ain't we? New
Yeah.
helmet, new boots, everybody's come prepared today.
Look at that. Shit happens. I like it, man. The boots.
Rainbow in the dark!
It wouldn't go up and see where it's trying to spin off.
Yeah.
Same pair.
He
Rocking
got
the
a
Crocs
four-wheel
4-wheel drive.
Oh man, he's always
Can
in
you
4-wheel
unlock your
drive.
car?
This thing is so clean. I'm liking this a lot.
You like it?
Dude, I kind of did think you sold it.
You really did?
Yeah, I didn't know where you
No way in hell.
You wanna ride
I
it?
didn't see it. I do, but
What the
dude,
hell?
I turned down that bike,
Yeah,
so I
hydration
gotta turn
pack,
down
you
this
wanna
one
buy
right
one?
now.
He's complaining about last time. I don't have any water.
You don't have water? You got a
I
pack?
have water.
Okay.
I got a pack, yeah.
Good.
I know better.
What's up, man? Got the fresh cowie out
You hit
here.
yourself in the head with the door.
He's too hyped, man.
You're too hyped, man. You need to take it down a level or two.
What's up, bud?
What's up, man?
How you doing? You got the radiator guards this time?
Oh, yeah. We're ready to go.
Zach's probably got some spark plugs, I hope, with him.
Yeah, I got two on me.
Sweet. What's up, bro?
Jackie boy!
I was so hyped when I pulled up. I was like, that's Tanner. And I was
Yeah.
I know, he was like,
from afar. I
he
was
was like, damn it, now they all know. Like, he was like trying to get everybody's reaction when we pulled in.
we're like driving up next. I'm like, there's two bikes. I can't see what they are. And like, because of they were like angled, I was like, oh, it's two pipes. And like, I didn't know you were coming. So I was like, oh, you just rode the 150, but it doesn't even have.
Yeah.
And then we get up closer. I was like, oh shit.
Sweet.
Liar.
Yeah, I am. I like it, man.
Dude, did you get the jack in my head on that?
No.
Oh,
You alright?
yeah, it came back on me.
What you think of it, bro?
I love this thing. Oh shit, I saw the end of it.
It's not clapped, it's just dirty.
No, you said it was clapped.
I saw it in a moving car.
I leaned down and then I
You're gonna have to steal his jersey.
Yeah, no kidding.
Man, we got MJ out here with all the toys. Got a Skidoo to ride today. He's got his 150 RB. Man, check this thing out. We need to get this on the trails. Put some wheelbarrow tires in the front. Well, you guys, here we have it. First ride on the 450L. Out here on the freshies, man. And you got all kinds of stuff going on. I like your outfit.
Hey, you know what? I don't have money for the pants yet.
I don't have money for the pants yet. That's the America setup. You got the red, white, and navy. He's got green, yellow, gold.
That's for the Korean.
Well, I'm about to turn on the Senna. You guys should be able to hear everybody this time. We're gonna have so much fun today.
Hello.
Woo! Starting off heavy. Oh, I love it. Jason out here killing it on the 140. Starting off with the hill climb. Woo! Got drop back out here sending it.
Yeah! Watch it!
Oh, boom hour's down!
I've never done shit like this.
I love you, Jason. There it is. Come on, boom hour! Yeah! So Jason decided to take like the not so easy way, so.
I figured I'd take the hard road first right off, and I knew it was going to be a mayhem, but it is.
Oh, yeah! Oh yeah, dude. Let's go, Jeff! Yeah, brother, yes. Speed, speed, go, Roost, go, go. Neutral. MJ down there walking it. Hey, Boomhauer, hit it again. Oh my God. There you go, good job. Yeah, buddy. Oh, oh. Yeah, he kept it running. He might need to go back and get his 150 RB, honestly. Those tires are just not having a good time. Keep it up, keep it up. I'm gonna try to get his 350 up here.
Dude, he makes like 5 parts out of these trips. Like, it's like a full week of videos.
Dude, it really is. It never gets old.
Are you going?
Hey, let me try to get your bike up that, MJ. If I can't get your bike up that, you might as well go get the 150 RB.
Oh yeah, that ain't gonna do it.
I ain't gonna do it.
You can do RB.
Ain't happening. Save the Husky for another day. We'll have Tilliy or someone take you back. Just go grab the 150. Yeah, it ain't you, man. It's definitely tires, so no big deal.
Oh, God.
Thank you.
Oh!
Go get him, bike fix.
Oh. Ride me down there.
Yeah, no. No.
Come on.
Telling them I came up, but I'm terrified to go down.
Yeah. Yeah! Hell yeah! No! Yeah! This is going to be interesting, 2 up.
Thank you.
Yep.
Damn it, Tanner.
You got to pee? There it is, brother. Yeah, what's up? Hey, Daniel, how does that look? You're not over there. Dude, it's so hard to tell with like the sun hitting the leaves like that. I don't know if I want to go up that way.
I mean, Tom hit it. He said it was on.
Oh, he did? All right. Woo.
Ooh, this is a fun climb.
Holy shit, Tanner, get over here. Oh no.
Oh God, Jeff.